Want to break into the booming world of IT, but have zero experience? Don't worry, you're in the perfect place. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever thought about a career in technology, whether it's cybersecurity, network administration, cloud computing, or just general IT support, but felt stuck because every job listing seems to demand 3 to 5 years of experience, then this video is for you. That no experience barrier feels huge, right? Like a locked door you can't get past. But I'm here to tell you it's absolutely possible to land your first IT job. The IT industry is growing at an incredible pace, and companies are always looking for passionate, driven individuals. What they often really want, especially for entry-level roles, isn't just a list of past jobs, but rather potential, eagerness to learn, and demonstrated skills. And that, my friends, is exactly what we're going to build today. I'm going to walk you through 3 crucial steps that will not only get your foot in the door, but help you stand out from the crowd. Before we dive in, let's bust a myth. No experience often just means no paid, formal experience. What we're going to do is convert your passion and initiative into tangible, demonstrable experience that employers will value. Ready to transform that blank slate into a launchpad? Let's get into it. All right, step number 1. Get educated the smart way. Now, I'm not necessarily talking about a 4-year computer science degree, though those are great if you have the time and resources. I'm talking about focused, relevant, and often affordable education that directly applies to entry-level IT roles. Certifications. These are your golden tickets. Industry-recognized certifications like the CompTIA A+ are fundamental. They validate your understanding of basic hardware, software, networking, and troubleshooting. The Google IT Support Professional Certificate on Coursera is another fantastic starting point. It's highly practical and well-regarded. These show employers you're serious and have a foundational knowledge base. Online courses and boot camps. Platforms like Knopf Digital, Udemy, Coursera, edX, and Pluralsight offer incredible courses on everything from Python programming to network security. Many are free or very affordable. Look for courses that include hands-on labs or projects. Free resources. Don't underestimate the power of free. YouTube channels like this one, Free Code Camp, the Odin Project, and documentation from vendors like Microsoft and Cisco provide a wealth of knowledge. Asking only for your time and dedication. The smart way means being strategic. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick a lane. Do you find troubleshooting fascinating? Maybe aim for a help desk role. Are you curious about how computers talk to each other? Networking might be your path. Cybersecurity, cloud computing, web development, IT is vast. Do some research, see what excites you, and then focus your learning efforts there. This specialization will make you a much more attractive candidate than someone who just vaguely knows a little bit about everything. And here's the secret sauce: hands-on experimentation. Education isn't just about theory. Set up a home lab. Install different operating systems in virtual machines. VirtualBox or VMware Workstation Player are free. Build a small home network. Break things, then fix them. This practical experience is invaluable and forms the backbone of our next step. Okay, you've got the knowledge. Now for step number 2. Build a portfolio. Show, don't just tell. This is where you transform your learning into tangible proof that you can actually do the job. This is how you create your experience without having had a paid job. Personal projects. This is huge. Remember that home lab? Document everything you do. Set up a small home server, maybe a Raspberry Pi running a Plex server, or a Linux VM hosting a simple website. Configure a complex home network, VLANs, firewall rules, VPNs. Write some basic scripts. Automate a task on your computer using Python or PowerShell. Troubleshoot and fix a computer. Document the process, the problem, and your solution. Create a simple website. Even if it's just a portfolio site for yourself, it shows web tech understanding. These projects don't have to be groundbreaking. They just need to demonstrate your problem-solving skills and technical abilities. Document everything. Create a GitHub repository for your code and scripts. Start a simple personal website or blog where you can write about your projects, the challenges you faced, and how you overcame them. Include screenshots and diagrams. This shows initiative and communication skills. Volunteer work. Offer your IT skills to friends, family, or local nonprofits. Help them set up a new computer, troubleshoot their printer, build a basic website, or manage their social media. Even small tasks accumulate into valuable experience you can put on your resume. Freelance gigs, even small ones. Sites like Upwork or Fiverr can sometimes offer tiny tasks that help you build real-world experience, even if it's just fixing a WordPress site or setting up an email client. Now, how do you present this? On your resume, instead of just an experience section, you'll have a strong projects or technical skills section. Each project should describe 1. The problem or goal, 2. The technologies you used, 3. Your role and actions, 4. The positive outcome or solution. For example, designed and implemented a virtualized home network using VMware Workstation, configured VLANs and firewall rules to segregate traffic, improving security and network performance. See? That sounds a lot like experience. Tailor your projects to the job description. If a job asks for Linux skills, highlight your Linux server project. If it asks for troubleshooting, describe how you fixed your friend's laptop. Your portfolio is your secret weapon. It proves you can hit the ground running. Don't just list skills, demonstrate them. All right, we've got the skills and the proof. Now for step number 3, network like a pro, connect and conquer. This is often the most overlooked, but arguably the most powerful step. It's not just about who you know, it's about who knows you and what you can do. LinkedIn optimization. This is your professional social media. Create a polished profile. Add your certifications, skills, and, crucially, your projects. Link to your GitHub or personal website. Connect with IT professionals, recruiters, and hiring managers in your target companies and roles. Engage with their posts. Share relevant articles. Don't just lurk. Participate. Local and online communities. Look for local tech meetups, user groups, and industry events. Many are virtual now, which makes them even more accessible. Join communities and forums related to your niche. Ask questions, answer questions, share what you're learning. Building connections leads to opportunities. Remember, a huge percentage of jobs are filled through referrals and networking before they even hit public job boards. This is the hidden job market. By building relationships, you're tapping into this market. Someone you connect with might say, "Hey, my team is looking for a junior admin. You sound perfect for it." That's how doors open when you have no experience. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Be genuine, be curious, and be enthusiastic. People are often willing to help those who show initiative and a real passion for learning. So, to recap our 3 steps, get educated the smart way. Build a portfolio. Show, don't just tell. And network like a pro. Combine these 3, and you'll have a compelling narrative for any entry-level IT role. Your resume won't just be a list of skills. It will be a testament to your drive and capabilities. Your interviews will be conversations where you can excitedly share your projects and what you've learned. Now I know crafting that perfect resume can feel daunting, especially without formal experience. That's why I've put together a free entry-level IT resume template specifically designed to highlight your certifications, projects, and skills. You can download it right now using the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more actionable IT career advice, and let me know in the comments. What IT field are you most excited to break into? Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.